Hey, Daria Jackson-Legan here of the New York Power Couple. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $150 in 16 hours. Okay, so yeah, I made this quick $150 while I was having dinner with my husband. We were celebrating our 20th year wedding anniversary and, having a great time and listening to some good music. And when I got back to the room, I happened to look at my phone and got a notification that I made $150. So yeah, so listen up if you want to know how to do it, because what I did, it was really simple. So what it is I am a part of a program called Infinity Processing System, and it's a 100% commissions opportunity. And what this opportunity gives you is amazing. So first of all, you get a 6-figure blueprint showing you exactly how to make 6 figures online. You get the ads, so you don't have to figure out what it is to say. You get the ad copy, you get the images. Not only do you get that, the system tells you where to place these ads. So that's all I did. I followed the blueprint. I used the copy, the images that are provided, and I put in forth the work, and voila, I got a quick 150. So if this is something that you want to know more about, let me just tell you how you can get started. So there are 3 packages. You have the $50 packages, there's the $150 package, and the $300 package. Now, with the 50, you're going to learn, with whatever package you decide, you're going to learn how to market online. So look at all 3 packages, see which packages are fit for you. Now, I highly recommend the $300 one, and here's why. When someone joins you at the $50 level or the $150 or even the $300 level, you will get that commission. So you don't want to be that person that joins at the $50 level and then you have someone join you and they join you at the $150 or the $300, because what will happen is your sponsor will get the commission. It will pass up to your sponsor. So you don't want that to happen to you. Also, with the $300 package, you get a vacation. Yes, and you get to pick wherever you want to stay. And that is only at the $300 level. Now, if you decide to join me, I'm going to add in 2 plane tickets. And all you have to do is just pay the taxes on those tickets. That's it. So right now, what you need to do is click the link below this video, check out the packages, see which one that fits you, fits what you're looking for, get started. Also in the description, you're gonna find my contact information. Contact me, let me know that you got started with me so I can get those tickets over to you. So I look forward to working with you and creating and collecting some $50 payments, $150 payments, $300 payments from following the exact blueprint that's laid out for us. So that's all I have for you right now. Don't forget, click the link below and I will see you on the inside.